Are you feeling the heat? Is it unbearable? Don't worry. We have a solution for you. Just start planting trees and fix global warming.
Plant trees?
Yes, all we need is a pot.
Yippee!
Not that pot. You need a flower pot. Now, put a seed in the mud.
I'm not sure about this.
Why?
How will I find the seed again if I need to grow another plant?
We'll give you another seed, Supandi. Good. Now put water in the pot. Less, Supandi, less. More, Supandi. Pour it in.
Now what?
Now get a chair and wait. Hello, Supandi. Hey, wait. Why are you standing next to your chair?
Because you said to bring a chair and wait.
What the? Anyway, well done, Supandi. You're saving the planet. Isn't that great?
Anything to say.